How to make Google Docs page in landscape or portrait mode. So basically we are going to learn about the orientations on Google Docs page. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs page, and now we have two page here, you can see. And if I minimize the size of page, you can see the two page. Okay, so here I'm going to show you how you can make the portrait or landscape. So here we need to go in file, go to the page setup. Here currently select the whole documents. Okay, if you want to apply this landscape mode or portrait mode to whole document, just select the whole documents, make the landscape or horizontal. Okay, and now you can click on OK. Then your all page will be convert into landscape. Okay, so let me undo it. Now if you want to make particular page only, if you want to change the orientation to for particular page, one page only, so you can do this. What you need to do, just go on that page, just select the content on that page. Now again go to the file, go to the page setup, and here we need to select that option which is selected content. Go to the landscape and go to the OK. Now you can see only selected content page has been convert from portrait to landscape, or you can say horizontal. Okay, so that is orientation settings, so you can make it as I show you. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.